As in previous video, we did the intro and we display a statement, but now in this program, user will be asked to input the data from the standard input device, that is keyboard. So let's see how we can ask the data from the user. For that we need a simple coding, which is, as we can see, we have the header files in this program, using namespace std, we have the main function int main, and we have the main body of the program. So in the main body, we have to write some statements, then we will be able to ask data from the user. When you ask the data from the user, so you must need to know that what type of data you want to ask from the user. So for that purpose, first you have to decide the data type. In this program, we are going to ask the type of data, which is integer type of data. So the type of data, which is int marks semicolon. Now we want from this program to display a message to the user, so that a user will be able to put the data. So to show a message to the user, we use the library function cout insertion sign, enter your marks, then semicolon to end this statement. Cout is the library function which display the message on the user screen. Now there is a function with which user can input data, that is CIn function. CIn instruction sign, which is the operator, then marks in semicolon. We have to compile the program so we can check the errors. So we have 0 errors. It means we can run the program now. So this program is asking me now, enter your marks. So I have to put the marks, which is 40. You can put any number, just enter when you put the number. So the program is completed because it has completed its task. As we can see in the second line, using namespace. So we can skip this by writing std with the library function below in the main function, which is cout and CIn. So remove this from over here and write over here std, and this is called the resolution scope, then again std resolution scope. So now compile it. So there is no error in this program. So we can also write std over here with the cout if you don't want to write the using namespace std, but writing std with the cout or with the CIn, it consumes time. So for time saving purpose, we just write the using namespace std above with the header files, because when you have a larger programs in which we have more statements, so it consumes time to write with the each cout and CIn std. So for that purpose, we just write using namespace with the header files. Just write over here using namespace std semicolon. Now the other thing we learn in this program is that we just display the message to the user. So the user have entered the data. Now what I want from this program is that the user data which the user have entered. So how we can display the user entered data? So for that we need the cout function. Cout, just write your total marks are, then insertion operator and write the mark, then semicolon. So we are going to compile the program as usual to check the error. So we have 0 error. Now we run the program. Now we can see this program is asking that enter your marks. So I put 50. As a user I put 50. Now I click enter. Then this program is displaying me that your total marks are 50. Thanks for watching. I hope you understand.